intentions of staying here once I got the internship. But I liked it enough that when the year came to the end, I was like, well, this is pretty good. I like what we're doing. Can you keep me on and give me something? So they found the part-time job for me until I got my degree.
One of the first modifications I made as an intern was renumbering the machines. So this one's 35, next to it's 36, further down is 37. Because when I started here, this was machine 20, that was number 42, this one was 56, and it just didn't make any sense. So I wanted to make it easier for when new people, interns, new employees started working here. It was really easy to tell them machine 36 is right next to machine 35. It's really easy to find places.
Ever since I was little, it's just all about how can I get something done quicker. I would like tie ropes to my dresser drawers so that I could pull all the dressers open at the same time and get out what I needed. Like, it's just always been ingrained in me, I suppose.
What do we got going on? We just doing a setup, or are we having an issue?
I like solving problems. That's what it's all about. It can be a little frustrating. Sometimes you gotta really dig deep and put a lot of work into it, but at the end of the day, it's pretty rewarding when you see the machine speeds go from 20,000 to 80,000 units per hour. It's a pretty exciting feeling.
Do you use the MOD-PAC settings when you do this, or do you move everything manually?
We have to look at all the nuances everywhere. We talk to all the employees, the operators, the material handlers, the supervisors to make sure we get a good full picture of what's going on in that process currently, and then trying to weed out what all the wastes are. If there's a physical waste, if there's defects that are happening, if there's tool loss, machine breakdowns, try to figure out what it is, categorize it, and tackle the biggest problems.
We do follow Lean Six Sigma, it's called. It kind of works on two different aspects. The first side being lean, where we want to eliminate waste from the process. The other side being Six Sigma, where we take a lot of measurements, we carefully look at the data, we look for variations, and we try to make sure it's nice and smooth the whole way through.
When I go on the computer, we have a bunch of different systems that track which machines are running or not running. And I want to see them all green lights. So a good day for me is when that's all green lights and I can continue working on new processes. Other hectic, long days are when I got 3 or 4 machines that are in the red. And I gotta go out there and I gotta check the labelers, I gotta talk to the operators, I gotta figure out why the machine's down, why we're not getting that product through.
I can see all of these lights on all the different labelers and tape machines as I'm walking around the back of the machines. And if I see anything turn yellow or red, I know that I gotta get down here and check it out, find out why it's not working properly. As soon as it's green, it's good to go.
Everybody's just friendly. There's always smiles, there's always camaraderie, I guess you could say. We recently had our facility picnic, which is the first one we've had in years, and it went great. Everybody had a great time. People were talking about it for weeks afterwards. So it's just a really good environment to work in.